Okay, I just want to know, who's going to come spend the night with me with this full of pythons all night 24-hour challenge? I'm challenging somebody out there that has a lot of followers, that has a lot of guts, that wants to have a lot of fun. So anyway, these are all reticulated pythons. They're all really awesome. I really dig them all. Every one of these I raised from a baby, and they're really cool. A lot of these have had babies. I have all kinds of cool stuff here at the Reptile Zoo, and I'm living my dream. But anyway, what's your dream? I kind of want to know. Everybody has a different dream. Some people ride motorcycles. Me? No way. Motorcycles scare me to death. Big pythons? I'm down with it. Matter of fact, I'm on my way to Australia. I can't wait. This is going to be nothing but fun. I'm taking my 3 daughters, and we're going to have a good time. But meanwhile, I wanted to make something really interesting for you guys. What do you think about this? Look at over there. We got a giant snake out there.